Welcome to Wealth Phase, the channel dedicated to helping you navigate the journey to financial prosperity. If you're ready to explore the world of affiliate marketing and unleash the potential of ClickBank, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide to affiliate marketing on ClickBank, covering everything from getting started to optimizing your campaigns. Let's dive in. So first, what is ClickBank? ClickBank is one of the largest and most well-known affiliate marketing platforms out there. It connects product creators with affiliate marketers, allowing you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. To get started, head over to clickbank.com and sign up for a free account. Step 2, choosing a niche. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. ClickBank offers a wide range of products, so find a niche that aligns with your interests and has a demand in the market. Whether it's health and fitness, personal development, or digital products, there's something for everyone. Step 3, researching and selecting products. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to research and select products. Look for products with high gravity scores on ClickBank, indicating popularity and success among affiliates. Check product reviews, sales pages, and commission rates to make informed decisions. Step 4, building your platform. To effectively promote ClickBank products, you need a platform. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account, focus on creating valuable content related to your chosen niche. Share your insights, provide helpful information, and build trust with your audience. Step 5, creating quality content. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. Create engaging and informative content that addresses the pain points of your audience. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content, ensuring they add value to your audience. Step 6, implementing effective marketing strategies. Utilize various marketing strategies to drive traffic to your affiliate links. This can include SEO optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for your audience and niche. Step 7, tracking and analyzing results. ClickBank provides robust analytics tools to track your performance. Monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings regularly. Analyze the data to identify which products and strategies are yielding the best results. This insight will help you refine your approach for maximum efficiency. Step 8, scaling your affiliate marketing business. As you see success, consider scaling your affiliate marketing business. Explore additional niches, diversify your product selection, and optimize your marketing strategies. Scaling allows you to increase your income potential and reach a broader audience. And there you have it, a detailed guide to affiliate marketing on ClickBank. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and dedication, so stay persistent and continue learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on Wealth Phase. Until next time, happy marketing, and let's get to the money.